Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to configure or to make a press one campaign. Press one survey campaign. So most of the people asking it how to configure it. So for today, we will do a regular press one campaign. Okay, so first you need to do a login to your BGDial administration and go to the campaign. After you go in the campaign, so you need to add your new campaign. So on the new campaign, you can put press one, uh, SM, so means survey campaign. Oh, press one, survey campaign. Okay, so that's all for now. So still going to use the administration groups, dialing 24/7, longest wait time. Okay, so you can set the dial method to ratio. Okay, and then for the routing extension, so this will be the routing extension that we need to change. So you can click this one, so you will read all the purpose of the routing extension. So from here, so if you use 366, so it's used for press one broadcast or survey campaign. So we can use now 8366. Okay, 8366. Okay, and then after that you can submit this one first. Okay, so after you submit it, you need to go to your survey option. Okay, so this is the survey option. So from here, this is the basic survey campaign. So from here, so you need to upload your audio file. Okay, so if you don't have audio file here, so you need to go here on the admin section, audio store. Okay, choose the file that you want to upload. Okay, then submit. Be sure the format is 16-bit mono, 8K PCM, and WAV format. Okay, so already uploaded. I go back on my survey. Okay, campaign. So audio. Can I click my text to speech online that I created? So if you have audio, this one is once they press one, so it will play. If you, it will play this one. So what we gonna put over here, like uh-huh. Let me. Okay. Maybe I can put anything for the meantime. So thank you. Let me check the fine. Thank you. I can find it. Okay, I can put this one. Okay, so from here, the survey method option. So for now, we will put to X expert. So it means it will goes to the agent once they press one or press one or two. Okay, it depends on the how did you set the parameters. So we can audio 3, I don't want to put, we can put silence. Okay, so third digit, so this is the third digit. So 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so I can save this one. Okay, So that's all. You created a survey campaign, and then if you can able to test this one. Let me check if I get, yeah, yung survey campaign. So when you created and then the agent was logging on the campaign, so the system will start to dial. Okay. Okay, so just press enter and automatically submitted. Okay, so from there, so you can able to add also the additional like the answering machine. Okay, answering machine auto. So this one is mostly the um, system disposition, pre-draft routing. Okay, so for caller ID, you need to put your caller ID. Okay, so that's my, and then from here, I'm gonna configure our uh, carrier. So we will use Telnix again, once again, Telnix. Okay, so from here, zip trunks. So also create zip. Name, also domain number here. Okay, HBBC 12. Okay, so I will choose IP. So I will not use any credentials. So, and then, okay, so from here, as you can see, we don't have yet an IP. So how to add the IP address? We can put here HBBC12, and yeah. Okay, so you need to go back. Okay. Profile. So programmable voice. Okay. Zip trunk. Okay, zip trunk. And then, okay, let me double check my. Okay, so this is the one that got created. Let me double check. Okay, authentication routing. So you need to add your IP address over here. Okay, so it's saved over there. Okay, and then we can now configure our carrier. So this is our carrier now. Hello. Okay, so um, so that we can able to test our press one, add new carrier, Telnix. So we can put Telnix out. Okay, Telnix out zip. So I can use the carrier. this carrier settings. Okay. So you need to put a context. Okay. And then zip the telnix.com, and for the dial plan, you can get dial plan over here, right? The simple zip. Yeah. Okay, so for the dial plan, we can use this one. So okay. Okay. Okay, submit. So for caller ID, so I just put here so that it will dial E164. Okay. So yes, and then we can able to do enable the test campaign go. Okay. So we go to the campaign, press 1, show details. So just do a testing. Okay. Okay. So from here you need 63. Okay. Place a call. Let's see. About to pass the. Okay, we need to check here. Okay. Reconnect. Okay, so we're testing now. Let's see. My call is not came. So I test to pull my number. So type in here, paste this number. They said no such extension. So this one that I mistaken to modify, because on our carrier, our dial prefix. So dial prefix here is 5242. So go back to the campaign. Press 1 campaign. So replace this one 5242. Okay, for manual dial if you want to add. Okay, so we can now try to test 63. Okay, let's see. So from here they said channel unavailable. So if you look here, so the dial pattern is correct. So okay, only our caller ID. We need to remove the +1 over there. Yeah, because it depends on the settings. So right now I don't need that. Okay, so you just need to add plus. said, because the error is channel unavailable. Okay, try again. Going to try to call again. Okay, while we testing, yeah, they said still channel unavailable. Okay, so from now, because we are using PJ zip on our zips, let me configure the okay. So let me double check again and try. Yeah, for maximum rate. So that's the issue. We have maximum rate in our call. So I need to adjust my settings. R&D. Let's check again. We did not get any maximum rate. It's ringing. Yeah. Answered.
Thank you for calling. For support, press 1. To speak with the accounts department, press 2.
Okay. So press 1 is working. Let me press 1. Okay.
Thank you for calling. Please hold a moment while I locate someone who will practice your constant complaining and whining.
Okay. So no one agent to taking calls, so it automatically goes to hang up. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully, and now we will test it to auto dialing. Okay, so I need to upload data. Okay, I need to upload the data, or I can manually add first. I can manually add first a leads. Okay, go to the list, add a new list. So for example, this is a list 1000. Assign to press one campaign. You can set active already. Okay, you can add a new leads over here. Test one, test. Dial code 63. Okay. Okay, submit. So I just add dial code so that it will look some things. Okay, we can wait to load the list over here, the lead. Okay, once we have diable leads, we are ready. Okay, so this is newly, oh, I'm sorry, it's mistaken to put on the list 999, so I need to move to list 22. Okay, let me add again. Okay, let's see, we have to do this in a few minutes. So once it's successfully added, so we can start the dialing. So loading the data is takes some 1 to 2 minutes. It will the hopper refresh. Okay, so while we're waiting, we can check our list again. 1000. It was, yeah, we have two diable leads not called yet. As you can see, we have now two there. So let's start to log in our agent. Let me log in the agent. Okay. So always you need to hear the prompt. The only person in this conference. So let me log out again. Log in back. Okay, just put on a little bit small so that we can see here the status of my agent. Okay. Okay, so you will hear the prompt voice. And now when I press this one, okay, look at it. So it's dialing number one. Dialing now. And then if I answer the code, okay, code answer.
Thank you for calling. For support, press 1. To speak with the accounts department, press 2.
Okay, I'm gonna press 1. See, I have one queue. And I press 1. So from here, let's see. Yeah, my first one is not able to. It's here. No, it's the other one. Yeah, I'm answering again.
Thank you for calling. For support, press 1.
Can
To
I
speak
gonna
with
press
the accounts
1?
department, press 2.
Thank you for calling. Please hold a moment while I locate someone who will put up with your
Okay.
constant complaining and whining.
Okay, as you can see, it goes here. Okay, so it's working. So if you if hope you are enjoying our video. Okay, can hang up. It's hang up now, and you can dispute the call. No answer, says message or anything you want. It's busy or something else. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our video. And next time, so our next video for this on how to route to call menu and inbound group and another and call forwarding to external number and anything. Okay. So thank you once again. This is HBT tutorial, and don't forget to like and click the subscribe button so that you always updated on our latest video. Bye bye.